Hi everyone, and welcome to this Fan Art Friday video. With the release of The Predator this week, I thought it'd be really fun to try this drawing. I decided to use graphite, along with blending sticks to help with the textures, and then I also used a small eraser and a white GellyRoll pen to add highlights, and then to add colouring to the eye, I used watercolours. It was so much fun. I really enjoyed adding all the different textures, and I really hope you enjoy watching this time lapse. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I had so much fun creating all the different textures and details. Be sure to let me know what you think of this in the comments below, and also let me know if you have any suggestions for future videos. If you want to see more stuff like this, then feel free to subscribe, and any likes or shares on this video, they really mean a lot to me. If you want to follow my progress and see photos before I post these videos, then please check out the links in the description box below to check out my Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for the support. I really appreciate it. And I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you all soon.